Speaking of
Yeah.
relating, actually, I understand the importance of representation.
Mm.
'Di ba? I think being part of Drag Race has given me the honor of being a representative, quote unquote, of a certain niche of the LGBT community, the old
Right.
one, the old,
Mm-hmm.
'di ba? The old, the plus size, those
Mm-hmm.
who even
I love
not
that.
LGBT, or even beyond the issues of LGBT, let's say failures and success. That was part of the
Yes.
storyline during Drag Race, di ba? Having second
Mm-mm.
chances, fighting for your dreams. These are issues that even the straight or the gender community struggle with.
Mhm.
So being
Yes.
in Drag Race to represent that kind of storyline is very important kasi nga I didn't have representation when I was growing up. There was
Mm.
very limited representation of what a non-straight man is.
Is, yeah.
'Di ba?
Parang
And it, mm,
parang komedyante palagi lumalabas
yes.
sa TV.
Oo. Which is not a bad
Mm.
thing, ha? Which is not a
Oo,
bad
oo.
thing. But hindi ako kunyari lang. Siguro komedyante nakaka-relate ako kasi mahilig ako magpatawa, di ba? Sa mga content ko. So nakakaano ako doon. May representation of that.
Yeah.
But